99% of renovations are nothing more than tinkering. Taxi sneered that the renovation was not qualified. If you want to play a complete rebirth and reinvention, this is an epic of steel. For nothing else, just for this lonely feeling, follow the Big Brother's perspective to see what the true meaning of carriage renovation is. Brother Tall Guy, let's tear down this old guy first. The screws must be well divided. Now it's just the exterior and interior dismantling. Is this scene enough to make your heart rise? Of course, the engine chassis also needs 8 pieces. Brother Majao, on-site supervisor, set skill 15%. The 6.2 big heart below the stage. Rear axle fuel tank goes down. The number of all magnetic lines should also be taken down. The owner's response to jitter acceleration is unfavorable. Then we'll break it up into a stove. There is more carbon deposition in the entrance. And now it all unfolds the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill percent gear, be 100% clear. The glue made by the former repair shop of this oil-leaking pot must be turned over. Disassembled, ultrasonic cleaning of all parts. Transmission speed shock. Also completely broken up. Found more iron powder. The friction plate disappears seriously, but to the clutch wear, replace the sealing ring. Very few friction plates start to hit. Clean up residual iron powder. Transmission finished. Engine reception, one person, one machine. Severe strain. Line up the owner and take a break in time. Avoid greater losses due to rewards. Extended distortion. Engine assembly completed. Start body construction. Sandblasting for the whole car. Let him transform into the state he was in on the production line. The highest level of refurbishment of old cars. Full car movie. Only electric courage can truly restore the old car to its peak state when it left the factory. This is total metamorphosis from the inside out. Boil and degrease first. Remove oil and impurities from the surface of the body. Tranquility removes body residues. Start tape. Oil painting metal surface microscopic state. Further enhance metal resurrection. Make sure the electrophoretic paint is firmly absorbed. The core steps before the movie. Lingua forms a dense phosphate crystal film on the surface of the vehicle. Unstructured spiriting effect. Make the electric courage bond stronger. The final link. Movies are driven by electric current. The wife with auxiliary electricity flows accurately to the car with positive electricity. Uniform absorption. 360-degree coverage without dead ends. Send to the high-temperature baking room. 170-degree high-temperature curing. Achievement suggestions, smooth ultimate protection. Start chassis refurbishment. The front and rear bridges are completely broken.
Solve aging rust.
Sandblast all chassis parts. Spray double resistance pump epoxy primer after sandblasting. Improve the rust resistance of parts. Then spray the chassis diamond paint, scratch resistant and wear resistant. All parts refurbished. Start chassis reloading. Extended brake discs must be arranged. Refurbishment of front and rear bridges completed. Spray 3M chassis loading. Increase thorough rust resistance and scratch resistance. Also has a good shock-stopping operation. Camouflage frontline technology renovation. Cleaning line water. Special detergent. Cleaning plug re-includes bare line type. Old rules into the magic moment. Sound insulation radiation material for the whole car must be painted. Mechanical part backloading. Exterior-interior playback. Banks incomplete.